today actually the problem of power cutting problem in my house. Okay, na? So still I don't have what we can say charging also not there in my laptop. Okay, na? So I'm waiting for that. Okay, so let me wait 10 minutes. Okay, up to the 10% of charging is there, na? So let me wait 10 minutes. If power is coming out, class will be continue. Otherwise, the class will be on Monday. Okay, na? So in my area, some power issues are there in my area. Okay, so that's why we are not getting the still power from last 1 hour onwards. Okay, na? So we will wait 10 minutes. We will wait. Okay, are you clear now? 10 minutes we will wait here, and we will see within in this 10 minutes if the current power will be resume. Okay, power will be resume. We'll continue this class. Okay, guys. Right. Is null, right? Okay. Right. And the next operator, okay, in the special category, what is the next operator means? It's a like operator. So like operator, basically guys, we are using to comparing a specific character, okay, string pattern. So like operator we are going to be using guys here. It was going to be used for to comparing a specific character string pattern. Okay, so pattern wise, when you want to comparing your data, so there we can use what now? Like operator. Right. So now, but here carefully observe. So whenever you want to use like operator, okay, when we work with like operator, we should use the following two wildcard operator. We should use wildcard operators. I should be use it. So those are two here. One is we called as a ampersand. So ampersand is representing, okay, to represent the remaining group of characters. Okay, after selected character. Okay, now second one is called as a underscore. So underscore is represented here, okay, to counting a single character. So these are the underscore and the percentiles, how it will be useful for us. Okay, now so these are going to be represented like percentage means whatever the remaining group of characters are there after selected characters. So there it was a percentile we can use, and underscore means to counting a single characters in the expression. Okay, for example, let you see. For example, suppose you have here some names are there like, okay, like Sai, okay, Smith, Suman, Scott, and Suresh. So if you see these names guys here, just observe these names. In these names, every name of the first character, can you see every name of the first character? Can you see S character was there? Every name of the first character is what now? S character. Suppose my question is, I want to write a query to display, okay, employee whose name starts with the S character. Okay, now whose name starts with S character. So whose name starts with S character, those people details, those people employees I want to retrieve from my table. So in that case, okay, how we can use your like operator means, suppose are you writing the solution of this query? Suppose are you writing select star from EMP where E name, okay, where E name like of S I was given. But when I'm using a like of S character, when I'm using like of my required character S means, so it was showing here no result. It was showing no result. So why it was showing no result means the reason is simple, guys. The reason is simple. What is the reason here? Okay, so yes, Sai, Smith, Suman, Scott, Suresh. These all names are starts with S character. Okay, fine. But the point is what now? These names are not only having S character, no? Not only having S character, along with S character, some other characters also there. Like in a Sai expression, AI was there. Smith expression, MITH. Suman expression, UMAN. The Scott, COTT. And Suresh, URESH. So your starting character is yes, okay, fine. But in your names, not only S character, along with S character, some other characters also we have it. Some other characters also we have it, right? So the remaining other characters, how to representing here? That's why when I'm going to writing a single like operator S means no result is showing. Because S means okay, this is representing S, okay. But what about AI? What about MITH? What about UMAN? What about COTT? What about URESH? So these group of characters I want to represent, guys, here. For this representation purpose, what I am using percentile. So that means now S and I'm giving a compulsory percentile. Then here S means what? S is representing first character, and here percentile is representing, okay, percentile is representing remaining characters. Understand now? So S is representing first character, and whatever the remaining group of characters are there, okay, these all remaining group of characters will be represented with the percentile. So now when I'm writing here select a star from EMP where E name like percentile, then it was showing result, that it was producing result. Understand now? So this is what is the mean by percentile. Percentile means to represent the remaining group of characters, the remaining, okay, group of characters after selected character. What is my selected character? Yes, after selected character remaining group of characters are represented with the percentile. Okay, next underscore. Underscore means what now? For example, suppose one more example, write a query to display employee whose 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 name is having three characters, whose name is having three characters. So now in this solution the three characters means I have to use a three underscores for my table. So now I'm using e name, so like operator of one underscore, one character is counting, one underscore, one character, one underscore, one character. Okay, so now three underscore three characters. Then what is my result for this? My result is what now? Sai. My result is what now? Sai. So these are the two wildcard operators, guys. We should use in our along with the like operator. Then only like operator will be work out. Otherwise, like operator will not work out. Okay, now right. So now few examples I will show you how we can use this like operator along with the percentile and underscores. Let you see, guys. Yeah. Okay, so this is our table having some information in this employee table. Right now, suppose my question is I want to display employees or list of employees whose name starts with the S character, whose name starts with the S character. So now you can see how to write here. Select star from EMP, where E name I'm using a like offer. Suppose I'm giving only S, but I'm not using any wildcard operators. I'm not using any wildcard operator. I'm just giving only yes. Okay, now. So I'm not using any wildcard operators. Understand my point here? Right. So now, when we are not using any wildcard operators, let you see if I'm going to execute this one. If I'm say executing this one, okay, then it was showing no rows are selected. But whose name starts with S character? There's already S character employees there. Okay, who is this? Scott and Smith. But they are showing no rows are selected. Why, sir? Why means here are you given only S, but in my string expression, we don't, in my string expression, not only S character, along with S character, some other characters also we have it. So then remaining characters, remaining group of characters, I need to represent here. So the remaining group of characters, how to represent it by using a percentile. Okay, now? So that's what we want to do. Now to this, I want to use what now? Percentile and close. And now we can see the E name is equals to Smith and Scott. So these are the information we got it. Okay, now, right? Suppose whose name ends with R. Whose name ends with R. Then what you want to do? What you want to do? First one is, okay, so first percentile. End of the character is R. Now see, R people are coming out, Turner and Miller. Okay, now next one is what now? Suppose whose name is having I character. Whose name is having I character. But I character having, just having, that means I'm using percentile I and percentile. So now I character. So whose name is having I character? Smith, Martin, King and Miller. Okay, now like whose name is having 4 characters. Whose name is having 4 characters. So 4 characters means 4 underscores, 1, 2, 3 and 4. But here observe the 4 underscores I was given, but 4 underscores between I'm giving some spaces. Can you see spaces I'm giving now? So when you give a spaces here, it was not showing any result. Okay, now? So are you giving spaces means it doesn't showing any result, right? So now don't give a space. Then what you want to say? 1, 2, 3 and 4, and don't show a space. Don't show a space. Just one by one you can go to give underscore, then 4 underscore 4 characters. Now word, king and from. Okay, now so like this you can go to use your percentile and underscore as per your requirement basis. Okay, now but here, okay, these are the normal characters I use it. But when you want to work with like operator on special characters, okay, working. Okay, so what is the next the question is like operator with special characters, right? Now let you see like operator with the special characters. Okay, so now how we can go, let you see. First of all, come to my database here. I will be preparing one table. Okay, right. So now I'm creating one small table. Create a table. The table name is EMP99. Okay, suppose EIDs and E name. Okay, so a few columns I'm taking here to design our table. After that, I'm going to inserting here, insert EMP99, sending some values. Careful observe 1021. Some value is okay. So I'm using the Smith. Here I'm using some hash symbol th. Okay, some special characters I'm inserting. Okay, now so in my name we are using some special character, for example. So 1022. Now the name is Alan, all underscore en. So yeah, underscore I use here. So 1023. Now I'm using Warner. Okay, at the rate symbol Warner. Suppose 1025. Some name is Miller. So here I'm using. Okay, I'm using Miller. Okay, and percentile ER. And 1025. So now I'm using underscore word. And the next 1026. So I'm using now. Okay, some name is, for example, okay, Scott. So now I want to give it here underscore TT. Okay, now. So these are some information, guys, in this table. Let you come back, EMP99 table. So in this table, whatever the name here, Smith Ash was there, underscore at the rate percentile underscore, like some special characters I used in my names. Okay, right. And after that, now let you see. For example, the question is, so write a query to display employee whose name is having for example, at the rate symbol, whose name is having at the rate symbol. Okay, now, so how we can write for this means directly we are writing like this. So select a star from EMP99. So where E name like operator. Now percentile at the rate percentile I'm using now to execute now. So Warner at the rate symbol name people are coming out. So which employee name is having at the rate symbol, that at the rate symbol name people are coming out. Okay. Now, for example, in the same to same, the next question is, for example, whose employee name is having, okay. So hash symbol now, for example, what is your hash symbol? Okay. So now hash symbol people information I want to get. So now how to write here, same to same, I'm writing here like operator and passing here percentile, hash percentile. Okay. Now as people also coming out, Smith hash is coming out. Okay, now so now this is what. So now that hash people information in the same pattern. Now the question is, whose name is having the symbol is, for example, underscore. For example, here underscore. So underscore people I want it now. So now underscore means everyone what they're expecting. When I use a symbol, when I hash symbol directly, the related people information we got it. The output is we are getting, right? Now, but here same to same, everyone is expecting what now? Okay, underscore now. So let me write here. So percentile underscore and percentile to execute now. Then what happened? You can see. So when I'm using underscore percentile underscore, what it was happen? All people data on display. All people data displayed. But here my point is what now? Which employee name is having underscore? Those people names only I want it here. Okay, now. So, but here my all that means Smith is, that means complete table data is showing us. That means when I'm using percentile underscore percentile, it was showing wrong data. Right? So now, how to overcome this problem and why it was going to be happening? Okay, so we will check out in the same pattern. For example, I'm asking whose name is having percentile. So here also, suppose the people, everyone is expecting what now? They're going to be writing like this. Percentile, and they're writing like this. So again, when I'm using percentile means again all people are coming out. So when I'm using underscore and percentile, the output will be wrong. Output will be showing us. So why, sir? Why these two symbols are showing wrong output? The remaining symbols are coming out as it is. But why these two symbols are showing wrong output means the reason is what now? Generally, in our database, what it was happening. Okay, generally, Oracle server. Okay, Oracle server will treat okay, so underscore comma percentile, okay, percentile symbols server will treat percentile underscore symbols are which type of your wildcard operators. It was treated as a wildcard operators, but not special characters, but not special characters, okay now. So your Oracle, what it will be do it here, so Oracle server, what it will be treat here, this underscore and percentile symbols are, okay, this underscore and percentile symbols are will not treated as a special characters. These two symbols are treated as a wildcard operators. That's why it doesn't go to treat as a special character. That's why it doesn't showing that particular special characters names. It doesn't show it. It was showing complete table data. Okay, now the point understand now, right? So that what it was happening, guys, here observe. Then to overcome this problem, so how to overcome this problem, we use one special key that is called as a escape slash. So this is one special key statement I am using. It's a one special, okay, escape slash is a statement I need to use it here. Okay now, so with the help of escape slash statement, I can avoid this problem. What is the problem? Whatever that operation we are performing based on underscore and percentiles, so that problem we can overcome it. Okay now, so how it was overcome it means, let you see. So as usual, I'm taking this one whose name is having percentile, those people I wanted. So like percentile underscore, okay, suppose are you giving your percentile close, and now you're passing escape slash, okay, now I'm passing. But you see, even though when I'm passing escape slash statement along with your underscore, but even though what happened, you can see it is not identified. Why, sir? Means this underscore will not be identified by your escape statement, okay, in your SQL query. So that's what we want to do. How to identify this underscore as a special character means you have to write like this. How to write? Percentile slash underscore percentile. Okay now you can write escape slash to execute now. So now we can see, so when I'm using escape slash, okay, statement along with my underscore, then only your Oracle server can be identified this is a special character. When this is a special character, it will be showing, now you can see ln underscore, word underscore, and Scott. So whose employee names are having underscore, so those people names are displaying us. Okay now, in the same pattern, guys, here suppose percentile also same problem now. Yes, percentile also same problem. So how to overcome this percentile? So percentile slash percentile, okay, now we have to use escape slash. Now let you see to execute. Now which employee name is having percentile? So those are people I'm going to getting now. Okay now, So this is what now, guys. So that means what you say whenever you want to do some operation with a like operator based on underscore and percentile, based on underscore and percentile, compulsory we should use a escape slash statement. Compulsory we should use a escape slash statement. Okay na, otherwise na your oracle server cannot identify your symbols or special character that is not identified, and by default it will be treated as a wildcard operators only. By default your oracle is treated as a wildcard operators only, so that's why your output will not be showing correctly and accurately. Okay na? So this is special especially underscore percentile purpose only you can use escape, and remaining special characters are directly we can get it, no problem. Okay na, right? So these are guys here like operator, how it was working. Okay, so total whatever the special operators are there in our operators basics, okay, in your operator basics, that all special operators are we finished it. So in, not in, okay, between, okay, this like so these are special operators are we done. So and one more operator is left guys here, that is called as what now, set operators. Okay, that is what now, set operators. Okay now, so these set operators we will see on Monday session guys, because again power gone in my side. Okay, so power gone again, so maybe my charging also not there. Okay now, so Monday we will start set operators Monday, and Monday we will be finish it your operators concept, and we will start one more new basic concept. Okay na, right, good. I stop it here because no power. Okay na, I stop it here, and we will continue on Monday session. Right, right, yes, thank you so much.